Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can install the opencv for Python. First of all, we will see what are the minimum requirements to install the opencv for Python, and after that we will see how we can choose and install the right opencv package for Python based on different working environments. Opencv has released different kind of packages for desktop based environments and different packages for server based environments, so it is must to choose the right opencv package based on your working environment. In this way, you can reduce the amount of errors, reduce the memory consumption, and also optimize the performance of the opencv on these environments. So in order to install the opencv for Python, you must have to take care of the few things. The first thing is, if you have previously manually installed the opencv, which is not installed via pip command, you must have to remove it before installation to avoid the conflicts or the errors. And the minimum thing required to install the opencv is the pip version. Make sure that your pip version is equal to 19.3 or higher than that. If you are unsure about your pip version, you can check it by using this command. So open your cmd, just type here pip minus capital V and press enter. As you can see that my pip version is pip 24.0, which is higher than 19.3. So if your pip version is lower than 19.3, you can upgrade it by using this command pip install minus minus upgrade pip. Just copy it and again open your cmd and paste it here and press enter. It will download the new version of the pip and it will upgrade your pip. And now my pip is upgraded from 24.0 to 24.1.2. So the next thing, we have to select the correct package for our environment. There are 4 different kind of packages. We just have to select only one of them based on our working environment. The opencv recommend we don't have to install multiple different packages in the same environment. It may be create errors in future. So if you have installed different packages in the same environment, uninstall them all with pip uninstall and reinstall only one package. Now if you are working on the standard desktop environments like Windows, Macs and Linux distributions, the option 1 is main module packages. You can install the opencv for Python by using this command pip install opencv-python. If you need the full package, this full package contains the main modules and also the extra modules. If you need the extra modules, so you have to use this command pip install opencv-python. So I need also the extra modules with the main modules. I'm going to copy this command and paste it in my cmd. Copy and paste it here and press enter. Now it is installing the opencv with its prerequisites. So it is also installing the numpy. Now as you can see that it has successfully installed the opencv for Python with the extra modules. And the next thing, if you are working on servers, headless environments such as Docker containers or other cloud environments, then you don't need the GUI library dependencies. In this way, these packages are smaller than the other 2 packages that are available for the desktop environments, because these packages do not contain any GUI functionality and it is not compiled with Qt or other GUI components. This means that the package avoids a heavy dependency chain to X11 libraries, and you will have, for example, small Docker images as a result. So in this way, you can also save the memory if you are working on the server based environments. So you should always choose these packages. So similarly for the servers, you can install the opencv by using the pip install opencv-python by including the headless in the end. And similarly, they have the full packages which contains the main modules and extra modules for the servers. You can install it with the same command pip install opencv-python and with the headless in the end. If you want to make sure that you have installed correctly the opencv in your PC without any errors, you can check it by importing it by import cv2. So open your cmd, run your Python and just open your Python. I have installed it in Python 3.12. So, and to check, just type here import cv2 and press enter. Now as I am getting no error, it means my opencv is working fine. So if you have find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updates of the new uploads. See you next time. Bye bye.